this is a very cute toy which I like, and I'm going to play with it.
Wow.
Okay, shall I show it to you first once again?
Yeah.
Okay?
I can see. Yeah, exactly. नहीं होता है. Yeah, I saw it.
Alright, so you want to do it?
Yes.
So, there are reports magnet.
I won't say a word and you're just going to observe how I do it and you do it accordingly.
Okay.
We poke through it.
It's called a gasket.
I think it's
Yes.
Do we poke through it?
Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me do it.
Can you give me a magnet?
Let's put it this
One twist. One twist. Okay.
I'm not looking at an angle. Okay, let's try with other angles.
Give it.
See.
I just gave it a deal.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Why is it just coming?
No, angle has nothing to do with it. Exactly. Because no matter how you keep it, it's going to.
I just
It is attracted at one
the
time.
poles matter. I guess the poles matter. They do.
I think so. Okay, I think.
But your poles vibrate over. The poles are changing and every single time.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, the end is click.
It's just circling.
So shall we do it in a way that would take us to somewhere, some result in terms of why? Can I suggest that you have some observations and write down the observations meticulously? It's okay. I think we have only 2 minutes now. 2 minutes to go.
No, it's just B. If one magnet.
I suggest you write down very simple observations. Simple observations would actually lead you to good questions later. Very simple observations.
It actually rotates faster.
Are you with me? Everyone, can I have your attention please? Can I have your attention please? The first group is ready to present. So I suggest that we all would listen to them.
Let's consolidate it.
So when we give a slight twist here, the magnets they start to rotate with this the mean position of this what do you call it rod
Spoke.
with the spoke being the axis of rotation. So they begin to rotate like they kind of wobble like this types. So and they rotate with the axis of the rod and the rod also rotates with the axis as the mean position. So both of them rotate.
Okay, I've got something new in this. I initially started this way.
No, but I don't know.
I turn it. It stops and again starts.
Did it stop really?
Yeah, it stopped and
Stop for a
for a
second.
second was just like came back in the opposite direction.
If we increase the number of magnets, the speed of the cardboard rotates. Increases.
Okay. So that's a different setup altogether. Okay. So you can write it down.
You can formulate that into a better observation that more the number of magnets, the more vibration it causes.
Yeah. And the faster the paper vibrates.
Anyhow.
Or both. I think I said that.
If the magnet wobbles, goes both ends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We said for less, we said for less.
It's not English.